Then we weren't able to do airplane, so let's go.
We won't need an airplane?
Yeah.
How come?
Because we'll have to go through the Golden Hallway.
And tell me how you go through there again?
Well,
Show me the little different bits.
through there, then you have to go into there.
Yeah.
Then you're at Alaska. Then you go through there to get to Australia.
And we don't have to go on the airplane. How cool is that? And is that how Nana and Grandpa are going to get here in October? Yeah. You're an airplane. Eating goldfish. And painting with Mama.
We could paint these goldfish.
And then we couldn't eat them.
Maybe I'm going to stick that onto there.
No. We're going to send that to Nana. We've got to be able to put it in an envelope. Let's go get some envelopes and maybe we'll start decorating the envelopes, eh?
Well, I got a stamp here.
Yeah, excellent.